Literacy is not just spelling, reading, or math. There is so much more. I wake up every day and wonder what new things will I learn today, because literacy is beyond reading and writing. With these motivational lines, a very pleasant morning to one and all present here. This is Vedanshi from class 8 and I am going to conduct today's morning assembly on the theme literacy. A morning prayer is a wonderful way to focus our time and attention on seeking God's plan for the day ahead. Let's we all talk to God heart to heart. So join your hands and close your eyes and start prayer. Put down your hands, all of you. Pledge binds us together and instill a sense of patriotism amongst us. Let's we all take position for pledge. For this I would call Pratham from class 6. After the pledge, today is 8th of September. Every year, International Literacy Day is celebrated on this day globally to raise awareness and remind the people as a matter of dignity and human rights and to advance the literacy agenda towards a more literate and sustainable society. I wish you all a very happy International Literacy Day. Together we change this world by making everyone educated. Our thoughts control our decisions and actions. Thoughts are where every victory, every defeat begins. And good thoughts lead to a good life. For today's thought, here is Kavya from class 7th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Kavya and today's thought is, a good head and heart are always formidable combination, but when you add to that literate tongue or pen, then you have something very special. And the meaning is, sometimes we have to use our head and heart both in various situations of life. Some people rely on their mind and some on their heart. We should react according to the situation. On reacting a situation, it is important that our decisions and our actions are well thought out. It's quite a challenge in some situations to keep head and heart stable or balanced for a long. But a person who do this perfectly may affect the society in a good way. Thank you. Have a good day. Speech and national anthem will be continued. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.